we are on our way back to Gorge Road, Pleasant Valley Reservoir. We had so much luck yesterday. We're gonna try our luck again. We got our bikes packed up. We got our food packed up. We're ready to hit the road.
Let's do it. We're gonna spend most of the day there and let's see what happens.
Great job, honey.
Thank you. Wow, it's a little cold out here this morning. Here we are again back at Bishop Power Plant. Take a look behind us. They generate their own electricity here using this big old pipe. You get water that comes out of it and generates electricity. This is too cool.
Hey guys, good morning.
Morning.
Okay, we're taking off. Okay, we are ready to go. Woohoo! Time to catch some trout. Whoops. It's just like riding a bike. Whoa! Okay, so we made it. And looks like there's a bunch of other people that came here too. A lot of people brought their bikes. And we are ready to hit the water. Put our lines in. We got 2-pole license each. So that's double the fun and double the luck. Okay, so I came back up the boat ramp to get some refreshments and wanted to show you what our ice chest looks like. So we've packed some goodies and sandwiches for lunch. And this is what the boat ramp looks like. So we parked over there and it goes around and around by the power plant, and that's about 1.5 miles, I think. And we took our bikes all the way here. There's my Schwinn. I won that in a real estate at our board meeting. There was a raffle and I won that. Isn't that nice? So we biked it all the way here. We got this cart and it has our fishing stuff, but the rest is down here. And this is what it looks like. This is the boat ramp. And just be aware, it's very steep when you go down here. And there's a lot of rocks everywhere. They even say to watch out for falling rocks. And this trail keeps going that way for many miles. And that's the other side where you can park and get the other side of Pleasant Valley Reservoir Dam. And so just to show you, look how pretty these trees are. And here's the water. And you have to traverse down all these rocks. And there's some steep trails. So keep that in mind. Always be safe and take your time. You do not have to rush down these hills. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a bit when I go down. Okay, so here's our cart, and we got this online and it attaches to our bike, or Alex's bike. And look at what my husband made. He is so smart. He made a pole holder so our poles don't break, because we always bring like 6 poles with us. We always have 2 poles each and 2 extra while we're changing the line, because someone, which is me, always breaks the line or the hook. So, you know, during that downtime, we always want to have a line in the water. So it's smart to have an extra pole if possible, so you always get that fishing time in. Isn't this gorgeous? And look, there's our friend Adrian. Hey Adrian. Good. How are you doing?
Doing good, just enjoying the day. Not catching nothing, but that's okay.
Oh, you'll be catching it soon.
Yeah, I hope so.
You were yesterday.
Yeah. Enjoying my time.
Yes. And Adrian also has a cart. See? His is all nicely set up. He's got his snacks. He has his pole holder, his igloo playmate, and he's ready to go.
Yep.
Oh, is that your new fishing?
Tenkara.
Yeah. Check this out. This is his new Tenkara fishing pole. telescoping.
It's beginner fly fishing.
Nice. Wow. Whoa. It's big.
Still learning.
It looks nice. Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna hit the road now and catch some more fish.
Good luck.
Good luck. Just gotta take your time. I did it! That's how far you gotta climb down. And there's a lot of trails like that, but once you get down here, it's amazing! I was wrong, it still was on. Oh, yes. Yeah. Woo! Caught this on Powerbait. Chartreuse glitter. Woohoo! It's a nice one. Check out this trout. It's about 11 inches and it feels close to a pound. Maybe like 0.90. We'll see. Woo! Fish fry. So here we are at Pleasant Valley Reservoir, and I just caught a trout using Powerbait by Berkeley. And this is the green, spring green, and look at all that glitter. Let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. See how shiny it is? The fish love this stuff. So let's catch another one. Oh, it's a nice one.
Good job. First fish of the day. Here we go.
This bald eagle. Oh no! Oh!
Wow, did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Double hookup.
Nice!
Oh, he's got a brown. Nice brown thing. Good job.
Woohoo!
You always do that. How's that for brother team?
Okay. Alex just caught one, and now he just caught another one within 1 minute. It must be lunchtime.
Wow. It's another nice one.
Woo! Okay, here I go. I'm gonna cast this Super Red European Nightcrawler into the water. I got this from Amazon and I'm so excited. We got so many fish yesterday on it, and let's put it in. Ooh, you see that action? It's red, it's dancing. And the trout, they're gonna love it. So here I go. Perfect. Just where I wanted it.
Okay, here's my special bait of the day. Using Powerbait. Looks like it's a green color with some, what is that, reflecting glitter. Let's see what happens. I got about a 2.5 foot leader here.
So I'm using my Shimano reel and Powerbait and green, and here I go. I'm also using some gold treble hooks that we bought from Amazon. Definitely a great deal. We got over 100 of them, or actually we bought 100 of them for really inexpensive, like 35 to 40 bucks. It was a great deal. Nice, honey. I gotta go back over there. A real marshmallow?
Yeah.
Got what Alex got so far.
I just got my 4th fish. I'm ready to throw it back out. Let's see if I can catch my 5th.
Alex is getting another one. Nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm changing up the bait to fluorescent orange power bait, and it's by Berkeley. And let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. It has a bunch of glitter, and hopefully it's gonna attract the fish. So I'm gonna go put it out, and let's see what happens. Okay, here I go. I am putting the fluorescent orange power bait in the water. Perfect. Set the reel. Okay. Oh, wow. Going this way now. Come on, he's on. He was on. The slack got taken off. Woo, and he's a big one. He must have been swimming. Look, I barely lipped him.
Nice.
Okay, so I need the string ribbon. Okay, so I just caught a trout using fluorescent orange power bait, and we're gonna put it out again and hopefully catch another trout. So here I go. Perfect, that's where I got the last one. Okay, we'll see what happens. Woo! Using the worm. Oh, did you just see that fish coming up? They're all over the place. It's gonna come on this one next. Oh my goodness. Come on. Man, he's putting up a fight. Oh man. Oh yes, you're coming here. Oh yes. Where are you? Holy moly. Stop fighting me. Oh my goodness. Ah! Get over here. Get over here! Oh, man! Alex, we gotta weigh him! Holy moly! This is over a pound! It's so heavy! Whoa! Whoa! Holy moly! Using a worm! Check this out. 1 pound, 1.11 pounds. Look at this brown trout I just got. Wow, amazing. It put such a fight. Wow, I can't wait to put my next pole in and catch another one. Woohoo! Tight lines. So I guess I'm the last person out caught his limit of 5 fish, and I caught 4. So can't complain about that. What an awesome day fishing. So I guess we're gonna go back to the hotel room and have some dinner. Okay, so it's starting to get dark, so luckily we got lights, as you can see, and it's adjustable too. Now come check out our fish. We're gonna get it out of the water. And look how handy this cat is. You see? Nice. Okay, we're packing up. Getting dark. We're about to take off and hit the road. Okay, so these are my fish. Rigor mortis has set in apparently, but check these out. Woo! These 2 browns put up such a fight. Oh my goodness. And I had fun with the rainbows too. But wow, the browns, boy, they were over. One was 1.07 and the other one was 1.11 pounds. And wow, too much fun. So now my husband's gonna gut the fish and then we're gonna go have dinner. So, woo! Fun times, and we still have tomorrow too. Woohoo!